All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Oh, it's so muddy. I'm soaked. Bottom down here. See what's going on. I've been down here a long time. Ooh, private property, no trespassing. You got it, boys. I am turning around as we speak. Line first? Yeah. Alright guys, so cop lives right back there, so that's probably not too smart, but I don't care. No cars. Ooh, the wind is brutal. It's so cold. Let's go back down through here. Woo! Guys, this is so much fun. I love my dirt bikes. Alright, I'm in first, second, third. Oh, neutral. Woohoo! Let's go this way on the trail. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh Lord, that's a polo mud. Oh yeah. Driving through ponds. Oh yeah. Definitely gonna need to wash this thing again. I washed it yesterday, so this is probably not the smartest thing, but I don't care, I'm having fun. Woo! Oh god. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Oh god. Whoops. That's kind of funny, guys. That's slippery. Oops. Guys, I lost so much traction. Definitely cased it. That was fun. Guys, I'm soaked. I started using Castor 2-stroke oil. Let me tell you, it smells incredible. Oh, that was deep. Carbon utility trails, man, I'm telling you, it's the best. And my hands are soaked and freezing. Let me tell you guys, I love this 2-banger. It's so much fun. Oh god. Killed it, dang it. Oh shoot, my back died. Oops. Gosh, my hands are freezing. This is fun. I'm having an amazing time. Yeah, anybody around the Hickory and Morganton, North Carolina area ever want to ride, hit me up. I'm always down to ride with new people. And just know you're probably better than me because I suck at this. Woo! Oh god, guys, I'm slipping so bad. You guys gotta see the tread on my tire. There is none. Oh, I got soaked. Oh yeah, just pop right up it. What I figured. I want to show you something real quick. First off, let me show you the tread on my back tire. As you can see right here, absolutely nothing. Ripped that whole side off, I don't know what I did. Well, I need to replace them. Second off, my feet are slushing because there's a ton of water right now. Third off, check this out. See, okay, my plan, check this out. My plan is to dig some of this out so I can roll in, might not even dig it out, and just boost it up that hill. What do you think? Good idea? I think it's a good idea. Not gonna do it today. I'm too lazy to move all this stuff and cut down these briars because I don't like hitting briars, but I'll do it eventually. And start. All right, probably just gonna cut that part out. Yo guys, that was about really bad. Yeah, look at my tire track. I was sideways through there. If that don't show you how slippery it is, then nothing will. Although you all can probably tell that. Oh, that one hurt. That was a lot bigger branch than I thought. Tried to kill me. It wrapped around my neck. Guys, it's about time I'm gonna put this old girl up and give it a bath. I'm freezing and she's a little muddy, and I'm sick about dying. So if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Gonna be a lot more moto content on the channel soon. As soon as all this slush goes away, I'm going back to the MX track. So be looking forward to that. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you next time.